This small business mistake can cost you thousands. That is not building an email list. So if you are out there pushing a website, but you're not building an email list, you are literally losing so many customers because you're only catering to the ones that are ready to buy right now. Well, what happens to the ones that are ready to buy next week or even next month? If you're not building an email list, then you are losing those potential customers. Now, inside our digital growth community, we show you how to build an email list from 0 people on an email list to 6 figures in less than 6 months. Our members are learning the exact strategies to grow their list and get amazing results, okay? So if you want to learn more about our digital product and our digital growth blueprint and how you could get inside our digital growth community, I want you to comment below, "I'm ready," in the comments, and I would love to share with you. See you in the next one.